Man. Classic Scout.
What's the matter with you?
Soldier's a spy.
Soldier!
Yeah, absolutely.
Take down this!
Ah, my head! Boys, we have a traitor! Scout! Heavy!
Hello?
Fuck your next of kin with lettuce and berries. Those ones my favorites.
Would you like a second opinion?
Hey,
Then trade me for it!
fuck no.
What in Sam Hill were you?
What dumb son of a bitch?
This is not doing my spine any favors.
Ah, what the bloody hell just happened?
Ah, yes, I almost forgot.
I am Trade Snell!
You want this?
That's some shonky business right there.
Shut up!
Quit blabbering and take your medicine, you phony, two-faced, bloody, backstabbing, blind-eyed, fat, jiggling, lard-arm, pump, bloody, cactus-eating, pot-belly.
Get to the point, dumb cough.
Piker! My skill is feasted on sniper!
Hello?
Are you sure? Well, I'm convinced.
Hello?
You were in a big fat hurry to die, son.
my God.
How's that feel, city boy?
I don't know how it did it, but this actually makes me more handsome.
Hello?
What? Medic
Oh,
is
that's
right,
good.
Beautiful.
Man
From the
up.
Do
daddy.
you still have the middle schmerz? We have much to discuss.
Fucking scum.
Shut up!
Are you trying for a shh?
Would you like a...
Everything is bad compared to this thing.
In my medical opinions, that looks ridiculous. But sadly...
Stop laughing at Heavy!
Sorry, I can't!
Doc, come on, man.
Sorry, I'm not laughing at you. It's just your weapon.
Serious historical sugar plum!
My seat.
No! My professional opinion, you'll be dead soon. What? Here's a second opinion.
I do not.
We're going to kill you.
What? Yes.
Off to hang myself.